Hi, I'm Renee. I'm the founder and head of Explosions here at the Curiosity Box, and today I want to unbox for you one of our STEM Day in a Box kits. This is our Staying Afloat kit. It comes with 2 boxes, and inside the boxes you will find activity packs for children to work in pairs. Now, with all of our activity packs, there are a combination of consumable items as well as something that is collectible that you can add to your STEM resources. In this particular one, there's a Newton scale that you can add in. And just as a side note, all of the plastics we use, so the bags, any straws that we use in the activities, are all compostable, made from compostable cornstarch. We've never used single-use plastic here at Curiosity Box. So each of the teams will get a pack that they need to conduct the activity. They get an instruction sheet with some nice pictures and step-by-step instructions to help them through that, and they'll get a recording sheet. So this is an engineering activity where what we're trying to do is encourage them to build something and then test it, think about what they need to do to modify it to make it better, and they do that a few times throughout the day and hopefully learning quite a lot along the way. So that's in the first box. The second box contains some more activities, and it also contains the teacher pack. And this is what the teacher pack looks like. And in here you'll find an extra activity pack so that you can have a go, familiarise yourself with the activity beforehand. And there is a Staying Afloat Teacher Hero Making Kit. Now this is the best bit, I think. And basically what this does is it tells you everything that you should expect to find in each of the activity packs, the things that you have in your teacher pack, and any other resources you might need. So we try and include everything that we can in the box. Occasionally we need you to provide things like scissors and colouring and pencils, things we know you'll have in the classroom. And then we outline the challenge. So each of the STEM Day in a Box kits is linked to a real world big challenge. This one's linked to climate change, and it's all about a story about a girl who needs some help from the children of the world. So the challenge is, Pearl lives on an island in Indonesia and she needs your help. Pearl is 10, and in the past few years the climate has been changing. Big storms have become more common and rising seas have cut her off from the places where her people normally find their food. Pearl needs to build a raft to bring food back to her village. Can you help her by building a prototype raft that can hold as much weight as possible? And so the rest of the activity all hangs around that story. I've made YouTube clips to introduce the stories to the children. So if you wanted to play those, you can, or you can figure out your own way of doing it as well. There's a little section here which is the pre-lesson prep, anything you need to make sure you've got ready beforehand, and a lesson guide which gives you a bit of an idea of how long parts of the activity are going to take. The next section walks you through the instructions. These are the same as the ones the children get, but with extra detail, just in case you need to troubleshoot or understand a little bit more in a bit more depth what's happening. The what's going on section is where we cover the science, the engineering, the physics, whatever it is that's in the activity, that goes in there. And then the extend and create section here is where we can take it to another level. So this could be for the more able children in your class or the older children who want to really push, or you can do it as a whole class and extend it to a bigger project that incorporates other curriculum areas like literacy and mathematics as well. And finally here we have our homework ideas section, and these are some fun ideas for the kids to extend this activity at home with their families. We have a learning objectives page here. Now this is where we've taken